Did you hear the great news with the housing market? We all know what the last couple of years have been like for the housing market. Pretty much a roller coaster from high buyer demand, skyrocketing home prices, and multiple offers in 2020 and 2021. Then a huge market shift in 2022 with a slower market and higher mortgage rates. Can we all agree that it's been a crazy ride? But guess what? Experts are now forecasting a turnaround in the market for this year. Hi, I'm Tanja Odzak, East Bay home broker by eXp Realty, and I sell homes in Oakland, Berkeley, and the San Francisco East Bay on both sides of the Caldecott Tunnel. As we move into the year, there are signs that things are finally turning around. Recent reports show home price appreciation slowing from the frenzied prices, making housing more affordable, mortgage rates are coming down, and inflation is easing. All of this is causing overall market activity to pick up. According to Lawrence Young, chief economist for the National Association of Realtors, mortgage rates have fallen in the recent past few weeks. So I am very hopeful that the worst in home sales is probably coming to an end. So it's important for us to know that experts are saying that we are not in a declining market, but in a market of deceleration, meaning that homes are appreciating at a more normal rate. So if you've been thinking about making a move this year, whether buying or selling, a turnaround in the housing market could be exactly what you need. Please reach out to me so that I can work with you to strategize your next move. And if you need to sell your home, then make sure you ask me about my tiered home selling plans where you get to pick which real estate services you want and the fee that you pay. Most of them offering my super duper digital marketing that no one else does in our area. I'm Tanya and I sell homes. I offer simplified and transparent choices.